Hey, let's make some sense out of subdomains with memberships. What are they? How do we use them? And why are they important? So it's a source of confusion. I want to try to clear that up for you. So first of all, before you select your subdomain, before you even work with this, you have to create your membership. And so within groovemember, you're going to go to new membership and click that button. And that's going to bring you back to a place where you can start to fill out the information about your membership. And you can see on the screen now that there's the first thing. You put your name in, and then there's the information. It says Groove Subdomain. And then it has this sort of scary text there that says this, you can never change this, for the rest of your life or whatever. And what I want you to know about that is don't stress over it, because that subdomain is simply, if you will, an indicator within the Groove system where your membership data is stored. So if you think about Groove, they have all of these people building all of these memberships, and they're all stored in one place. And so this subdomain is just the way of indicating this is your stuff. This is your membership. And so it simply needs to be unique. It needs to be unique to you so that you can keep your membership separated from all of the other memberships within Groove. Now, you obviously wouldn't be able to use my membership because lots and lots of people might use that. So you would want to have something about your membership, but keep it short. Even a few letters, membership YBG, mine is Your Best Groove. So I could do membership YBG. Probably nobody else is using that. Something unique. Then that's going to keep your membership separate within the Groove system. So once you do that, you're going to go down to the next step, which says domain. And this is where you're going to choose your own custom domain and make this membership really branded. So you're going to choose your domain, choose a subdomain, and choose or add a new subdomain. But let's talk first of all about how you make your domain available for memberships. To make your domain available so you can use a subdomain for it, for example, my example or mydomain.com, go to domains, which is in my account, go to your custom domain, and whatever domain you want to use, whether it's Groove Example, Learn, Groove C, any of these, you can see I have a bunch of them. You're going to go to this icon right here, click groovemember, and when you get in here, you're just going to add the subdomain that you want. So let's say members, and we click check mark. And then you'll see that that subdomain is available, or you can create a new one when you get into groovemember. Let's take a look. Okay, now back to this picture. We're going to take a look here. So now you can see how we select a domain, how we select a subdomain, and how we select Groove funnels. So let's take a look at specifically how that works. So connecting your subdomain to your membership looks like this. When you're creating it, or if you're going back into the details, you're going to be at this screen right here. And you remember this Groove subdomain is, as I mentioned, doesn't matter. It's the way to separate your information from everybody else in the Groove system. So this one isn't nearly as important as this one. So we created the subdomain. We're going to drop this down, and we'll see Groove Funnels pages showing up here, but we don't see the subdomain yet. So let's click it. Let's go to subdomain, and then under subdomain, we're going to see it now, members.groovefunnelspages.com. So this is going to connect my membership to members.groovefunnelspages.com, which is now my branded place for people to come to for my membership. And this is the one that matters. This is the one that makes your membership stand out on your own site, on your own domain. And that's it. You now have made sense of subdomains with memberships. Hopefully, instead of being confused, you're happy. You know that a domain, the drop down, you know what to put in there, memberships, and you are happy about creating your own membership in a few steps. Hey, before you go, please hit like, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/Groove Tutorials. Send it out. We're trying to help people understand how to use Groove. And if you could like it and subscribe, that helps us a great deal. Thanks a lot. I'm looking forward to the next tutorial coming up soon.